Ooh.
This is this new Gerber bananas and mixed berries in rice cereal, and it's purple. It looks so good. I think I like it. She's not done.
I
I'm not
know.
gonna put that up. I gotta warm it back up. It'll be cold.
Ivy. Oh,
Bless you.
bless you.
Achoo. He's like, okay, that's funny, but where's the rest of my food?
Mmm.
Don't get too close. It doesn't even look like her when you get right up on her.
Audrey.
So, do
Say
you want that
hi.
picture right in your face?
Say.
Move, Bailey. Bye-bye.
Clap. Yay! There it is. Yay!
Watch her cross your little fingers together. Isn't that neat how she does that?
This is silly. Comes naturally.
Bye-bye. Bailey.
Not a good face.
No.
How are you doing?